And so when I asked you this question, we here's just the point of view of the majority to start with, and we just showed that if you chose alternative A over alternative B, is above f of A, and here you have that f of A is above f of C, and then
by hand, so did it yourself, like in these two stages to actually see the two stages. Yeah, I mean, we do this sometimes. Then this is very important to keep in mind that the residuals in the second stage equation are not an estimator for the true residuals that we're interested in our model, and that we can use to estimate the variance, covariance matrix, right? So I think some of you might come across that if you have the second stage, if you really do these two stages by hand, and then compare those results to like a package or a function that you use in your statistical program, specifically for IB, then you're going to see that the variances are different, and this is the reason, right? So you just do these two stages by hand, then obviously the program doesn't know that in the second stage that you're actually doing an IB regression that you're interested in. So yeah, you have to use these different residuals then. Okay, so if you have no more questions for this, then let's just have a very quick look at the results for the last part. Any questions? Okay, then I mean, we're done early today, but that doesn't mean that we're always going to be early. So I think next week is going to be pretty long. So microdata in a lot of cases are squared, tends to go to 10%, and they're very happy that they can explain 10% of the variation in income, for example. It's one-sided output. So let's just